Our today's topic is very interesting topic and easy also. Means the coordinate geometry. Geometry, all of you know. Coordinate, I will tell you after few points. First, I will touch these points, and then afterwards, I will tell you the what is the means of coordinate. So already we have discussed. You studied in grade 8 a number line. One side we are adding 0, 1, 2, 3, another side -1, -2, -3 up to infinite. Okay. So in this part we are calling origin also. 0 and origin also we are calling because the point from which distances are marked. Means from where we started the distances from this point. This we take an initial point and then afterwards this side positive, this side negative. Okay, can we draw this line in vertical also? This is horizontal line. In vertical also we can draw like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinite. So this is also origin. This part is also origin. Means number line can be vertical and horizontal we have drawn in two way. Okay, now you think, means already all of you know very well, this is coming from grade 5. So number line, so I am telling you the number line, this is horizontal, this is vertical number line. If I will combine, suppose if I will combine both the lines, then what will happen? You see, so first you note down what is the origin, the point from which distances are marked, that point will call origin. Okay, now suppose if I will combine both the lines vertical and horizontal, then what will happen? Suppose I'm going to combine both the lines. This is our horizontal number line, this is vertical number line. Now you see this part is origin. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is horizontal number line. This is vertical number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 up to infinite. So you see what we have done means this is this board you consider, whiteboard you consider plane. You know, if you will divide them, we have divided this board in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will discuss afterwards about these 4 parts. But first I am telling you, this is O and this is X and this is X dash. Now I am telling you OX is the positive on x-axis and this is negative on x-axis. Now we are giving them the name x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis. This is y and y dash. Y dash means negative direction. Y dash means negative direction. So see, we have divided the plane in the 4 parts with the help of 2 axes. This complete plane we are calling Cartesian plane. So our first part is Cartesian system. What is the Cartesian system? This is only means this plane we have divided in the 4 parts. Okay, and these parts names also I will give, but you wait, I will tell you. So this system in which 2 axes are there, negative x-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis, positive x-axis, positive y-axis. This complete system we are calling the Cartesian plane. And why plane? because we are discussing related to the plane, not 3D shape. For 2D only, means in if for 3D one more axis will come in front, z axis. So that is not our topic. Our topic is only 2D. So 2D is the Cartesian plane, and which we can write on the paper also. So here you see this Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian system, in which now you see this we are calling origin. This we are calling origin. Now quadrants. Now I am coming on the quadrant. Next topic means we have divided in 4 parts. So from here, quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. These 1, 2, 3, 4. This is already pre-decided. First, second, third, fourth. We cannot take according to our choice. No, I want to take 1, 2, 3, 4. No. We cannot take already decided quadrants first, second, third, fourth. So, suppose I am telling you one more thing related to this. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. They are coming on the angles also. You can see 90-degree angle. Up to 0 to 90 is first quadrant, and 90 to 180 second quadrant, and 180 to 270 third quadrant, and 270 to 360 fourth quadrant. Now quadrant we have discussed. Now abscissa. What is the abscissa? Abscissa and ordinate we'll discuss. Abscissa means the value of x coordinate. Value of the x coordinate. Suppose this is one distance. This is from here to here. This distance is 1 unit. 1 unit. This will call abscissa. 2 unit, 2 abscissa. 3 unit, 3 abscissa. 4 unit, 4. This is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Abscissa is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. So perpendicular distance from on x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on the x-axis, and or we can say x coordinate. X coordinate. Coordinate I will tell you. First I am telling you the abscissa, and then ordinate. Ordinate is the this 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, or in negative also. But suppose if we are writing the unit, then all of you know distance cannot be negative. So this is not -1 unit. This is 1 unit, but direction is negative. This part is -2. Unit is not -2, but how distance can be negative? This is 2 unit distance, but minus is showing the opposite direction, negative side direction. So ordinate is this distance, this on, which is perpendicular from the x-axis, or we can also call y coordinate. Y coordinate. Okay. Now I am telling you the coordinate. Coordinates describe a point in the plane uniquely. Coordinate means, what is the means of coordinate? Suppose combine this braces, this bracket we will write 2, 3. So this first is abscissa and second is ordinate. So first abscissa means 2 unit. So we will go 2 on here, and then 3 this. This point is 2, 3. Here the meaning of 2, 3 and 3, 2 is different. Don't think so. 2, 3 and 3, means same. So this point is 2, 3. This point is 2, 3. You see abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 3. Abscissa, the perpendicular distance from the y-axis, and the perpendicular distance from the x-axis is ordinate. Now suppose I want to draw 3, 2. You will see. Now here the first part will be, this first part we are calling x coordinate or abscissa. This first part we are calling x coordinate or abscissa. This second part we are calling y coordinate or ordinate. Why coordinate and ordinate? You see, coordinate word is for combine this with the bracket 3 comma 2. This complete part, this complete we are calling coordinate. But this single part is ordinate, this single part is abscissa, or we can say x coordinate or y coordinate. So where will come 3 comma 2? First 3 abscissa and 2 ordinate. This is 3 comma 2. So you don't think so this 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2 will be same. Here this is origin. Now can you tell me the coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin. Origin is O. I'm making origin is O. And the coordinate means how much we are going on the abscissa and how much we are going on ordinate. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 is the coordinate of origin. 0, 0 is the coordinate of origin. So what is coordinate? Coordinates describe a point in the plane uniquely. Plane means this plane, Cartesian plane, and uniquely means 2, 3, one and only one point will be exist on the plane 2, 3. Any other point you will not found 2, 3 on this. It's one and only one point is there, which is 2, 3. Now can you tell me in which quadrant 2, 3 and 3, 2? In first quadrant. Okay. Now suppose few more points I have. Minus 2, 3. Where it will come? So, okay, I am taking 5. Minus 2, so first is abscissa. So we will see abscissa on this. Minus 2 is here, and the 5 positive, then upside. This is suppose P point. So P is here. Suppose any other point Q. Minus 4, minus 2. So minus 4, first abscissa minus 4, and then ordinate minus 2 downside. This is Q point. And then suppose R point minus 2, minus 4. Okay, plus 4. Minus 2. So minus 2 and plus 4 upside. This is R point. Okay, S point I am taking 2, minus 4. Now 2, minus 4. 2 here on abscissa and minus 4 here. This is S point. Now you see how we will draw these coordinates on the Cartesian plane, and how we will get to know in which quadrant they will lie. For first method is this, by drawing you can see. But suppose we don't have graph paper. Without drawing on the graph paper, we want to know in which quadrant they lie. That also you can do. In this quadrant, both are positive, you see. Both are positive. Plus, plus. Means if suppose abscissa and ordinate both are coming positive, no need to check, they will come in first quadrant. And suppose first abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive, then definitely they will come in the second quadrant. Abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. Another case, both are coming negative. No need to check. In this third quadrant, both will come negative. And for the fourth quadrant, positive and negative. So without drawing on the graph also you can check these with the help of this sign. Means in this abscissa and ordinate both will be positive. Abscissa negative, ordinate will be positive. Both abscissa and ordinate negative. So see, here both positive, here both negative. Okay, here x is negative, here x is positive. So with the help of sign also you can check. Now you tell me without drawing on the graph, this point I'm writing here. Any L point minus 4, 2. In which quadrant it will lie? So minus and plus. Minus plus second quadrant. No need to draw on the graph. Suppose any other point -4, -3. Both are coming negative, third quadrant. They will lie in the third quadrant. So all the things you note down. First Cartesian plane, and then afterwards for these quadrants, and then third time you draw for these symbols. And it's very easy. Now coordinate you got. Coordinate is the combined part. This complete we are calling coordinate. This we are calling abscissa. This we are calling ordinate. So the combination of abscissa and ordinate together with the bracket we will call coordinate. And coordinate is describing a unique in the plane, unique point in the plane. Uniquely means only one point exists of 2, 3 or any of the point. It will not be available two times. Okay, solve questions on this. Very easy exercise it is. Bye.